Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Jugal Kishore. I am Director, Professor, and Head of the Department of Community Medicine, Vardhman Mahavir Medical College and Safdarjung Hospital. I am also the Director. I am also the Secretary General of Indian Association for Adolescent Health. This association is brainchild of Dr. Prema Bali. She started this organization in 1987. So it's a very old organization, and it is similar to like it happened in the international. We have the International Association for Adolescent Health also. So at the same time, this has happened. So in India, we can say we are the pioneer in this kind of activity. She is the one who has started sex and marriage counseling clinic in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So from then onward, we had so many programs and conferences and workshops. The main objective of our organization is to focus on adolescent and youth, particularly focusing on what are the major issues. You will be surprised to know that we have the whole system of education and also the health of the pregnant lady and children, and also the adult and elderly, but adolescent was neglected group, and it is a very big number. If we today talk about, it's almost 23 million population which is coming under this, and if we add the adolescent with the youth, then it comes to almost 34 and 35% of the population. So they have the issues, they have major problem, health issues are there, mental issues are there, so they require special attention, and that group is totally different from others. So that is why this organization is working, looking into the intricacies and difficulties they face during their education, also career development. So our organization is not only focusing on the health but also social and mental issues. Now, our group is also like this organization allow the parents and other groups also be part of it. So we have the bureaucrats, we have the social welfare officers, we have the psychologists, we have teachers, we have pediatricians, we have all gynecologists. They are making the this organization as a multifaceted, because one group cannot handle the youth and adolescent issues, and in presence of the parents, that make the more interesting. We have the young group, and that is the vision that we should have the adolescent group also in our organization. So the focus is involving adolescent and all stakeholders for their health and well-being. Now we conduct various activities, and life skills education is one, where we have conducted many workshops in different parts of the country. We have the social activities. We conduct school health program, and then we have advocacy for the youth of and adolescent. We advise the government on various issues, and we have the coordination between various group like the doctors, nurses, teachers, and we develop the licensing with the women and child development, education, youth affair ministry, and industries, rural development. So they are the people who are involved in youth and adolescent health. Now we are running one website, and beside this website we have this journal which is quarterly published in the country, and publish all kinds of papers which is related to youth and adolescent health. So these are the activities, and we have various chapters. All states has their chapters, like the Karnataka, the one which is organizing this webinars. So that is what we want to say. Thank you.